for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Platinum in agate black. It has black and Marcella interior leather, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it has the technology package with a 360 view camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. You have a powered driver's seat with lumbar as well as massaging seats, and you're seeing this dark Marcella with the gray inserts and the platinum badging. These are quite comfortable. And off to the side here you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and a grab handle, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear. As well, you will have a menu you can toggle through. So from left to right, we're going My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you're seeing the B&O badging for your premium audio system, and there's a little bin there. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 view camera, so as you press through for the different views, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. You also have auto stop start for less idle time, and currently my phone is plugged in because I was doing Apple CarPlay. So I'm just going to unplug that for you. So on your screen you can touch on the different options, sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, and then you have your navigation where you're seeing the map that'll come up. And then you can go into climate as well. And again, you're touching on the screen for all the different options. So you have dual climate control for driver and passenger. And then in your settings, you can slide through for different options, things like Apple CarPlay and display mode. And then you've got the multi-contour seats, and what that is, your massaging seats. It's great. You just touch on it, plus and minus for driver and passenger, and it's a real treat. Down below, volume and tuner, and then you have your dual climate control, so you can control it from the screen or here. You also have heated and cooled seats for the comfort of both driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. And then down below in the cubby is a couple of USB outlets, and that's where my phone was plugged in. And you can close it up just by pushing on there. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and then you have an automatic select shifter. As well, you have drive mode, and when you press that, it'll appear on your dash. There's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. You have a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the ring in the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. You also have your lane keeping and park assist. The armrest opens up, and there's a bin in there. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. So lots of places to plug in, connect, power up, and there's another 12 volt and 110. Off to the side, a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, as well, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And then you have this nice twin panel moonroof, so you can open it up, get some fresh air. There's also a screen that comes across that's powered if you want less light, and in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have your backup camera just below that handle, and you're seeing that nice platinum badge right across the back. You also have your backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and you have this nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in and out. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab at the bottom here and then lift the seat up. There's more room on the floor. Pull the tab again, it'll bring it right down, and you also have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, or for my kids, I like to call it the Peacekeeper. On the floor, there's extra carpeted mats, and there's also an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents, and you're seeing those red little seats. Those are the heated seat buttons for the back seats. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system and chrome caps, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.